Bored!
Oh,
Hey, Space Taco! Is it time for blast off?
it's burrito!
Burr is right! What's the matter? You need to defrost?
Whoa, say hands off!
Yeah, I was only joking!
Why is burrito in the microwave?
Well, duh, he's too big for the toaster!
Is anyone else worried about that warning label?
Oh, that's just a birthmark. I've had it forever.
Yay! Everything's hunky-dory!
Yep, nothing to worry about at all! Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple, hey!
What? What is it?
Orange, you glad I didn't say apple again?
Yeah, that joke was funny the first 400 times. What the heck? Oh, great. There's two of you?
Whoa! That guy looks just like me! Nuh-uh, you look just like me! Nuh-uh, you look just like me! Nuh-uh, you look
Knock
just
it
like...
off!
Oh boy! Twice as much orange means twice as much fun! Yay! Again! Am I the only one that read that warning label?
Huh? What are you talking about?
Microwave plus burrito equals time machine! It brought us here from the future!
Okay, so if you're from the future, then why didn't the future me come back with you?
Oh, that's easy! It's because you're...
On vacation! Yep, someplace really nice and fun.
Huh? What are you talking?
You can't tell what happens! You can change the past, and as a result, the future!
Right, so don't mention the K-N-I-F-E, okay?
The Kniffy? What's a Kniffy?
That's knife, you idiot. He's not supposed to mention the... Wait a second. I'm gonna get knifed? Okay, it's been fun, but we should get going, huh, guys?
Yeah. Give me a minute, Holmes. I'm a little new to this.
What's the matter? You need a timeout? That's what I was gonna say!
Wait! Take me with you! You can't just leave me here!
Whoa! Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple, hey!
No!
Whoa! That guy really knows how to roll! Hey, Pear!
Oh, God.
The future really is bright!
We're back. I just hope everything's the same way we left it. Uh-oh. This is...
So awesome! Yay! There's apples everywhere!
Hey, Apples! Hey, Apples, hey! Yep, they're apples, all right.
Hey, it's okay, guys! Everyone just calm down!
It's a midget apple!
Hey, knock it off! Only we get to call Midget Apple a Midget Apple.
Gee, thanks, Orange!
What is wrong with them? Why are they freaking out?
I can tell you why. Because a long time ago, they took our kitchen.
Whoa, Grandpa Lemon!
What? Where?
Yeah, and those of us that weren't destroyed by the Robo-Apple were enslaved.
Wait, did you say Robo-Apple?
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Unauthorized produce. Put your hands in the air.
But we don't have any hands!
Good work, Robo-Apple. Now fire at will!
Yes, your enemies.
Burrito! You gotta get us back to the past! We have to fix this!
Don't worry, Pear. This little donkey is ready to ride. Whoa!
Wait! Take me with you! You can't just leave me here! Oh, yes, you came back!
Hey, it's Apple!
Yeah, we covered that! Now get me out of here!
Hey, Apple!
Shut up!
No, not him! Me! Over here! Apple, listen to me! Hey, Apple!
Stop!
Hey! Apple!
Oh, Pete! What is it?
Nine!
Ah!
Ugh, that really looks like it hurts. See? I told you that apple was rotten to the core.
All right, Nito Burrito, beam us back to the future!
But I wanted to... Whoa, that was crazy. Whew. Looks like everything is normal in the kitchen again. Hey, Pears!
Oh, God.
Hey, you're an apple. What's wrong, Banana? You don't look like you're peeling very well.